I'm Ollie. I deal with all of the sort of commercial aspects of Lyon Managed Services. The business was set up to support the creative industry. So we're an IT support company, and really we found that there was a gap in the regular IT support companies that were out there at the moment, where they didn't solve the needs of the creative industry. We've always focused on growth by acquisition rather than organic growth through search engine optimization. And because of that, we've acquired a couple of businesses in the last 3 or 4 years. And whereas their main sites are pointed towards us, none of the backlinks are utilised in any way. Our website at this point was kind of a shop front. We weren't generating any leads through it. As I said, we were kind of focusing on growth by acquisition rather than pulling leads in through our website. But that was kind of it. There was no search engine optimization. There was any of the backlinks to the acquired company sites were just kind of left up in the air. The level of detail in the proposal that Geeky Tech sent over to us, really that's why we decided to go with them. So at the moment the company is called DotOnes. We're in the process of rebranding into Lyon Managed Services, and really the idea was when we get a new acquisition, what we're going to do is we're just going to take the acquisition, take the DotOnes, push them into Lyon. So Geeky Tech have been helping us perfect the Lyon site, perfect the Lyon search engine optimization, as well as the DotOnes site and the DotOnes SEO, so that when we do come to flick the switch, as it were, everything is just going to blend seamlessly into each other, and all of the SEO from DotOnes and the SEO from the acquisition are all going to point towards Lyon, and everything should be hunky-dory. We find working with them day to day very easy. We were given a singular point of contact that we had regular updates with, video calls, emails. We were kept up to date on the whole process, which is it's fantastic. Really, that's what you want from a partner. But we're now generating leads through our website, which is fantastic for us. We've moved up on the rankings on Google. We're hitting a hell of a lot more first page results than we did before, these are all fantastic things. This is all kind of what we wanted from this process. Moving forward, we see Geeky Tech really as quite an important partner for us. Our aim is that when we acquire a new business, we then also obviously acquire all of their SEO that they've previously done, and with the help of Geeky Tech, we move all of that over to the Lyon site so that we can capitalise on all of the work that they've done previously, which in our acquisitions before, we didn't have a partner like Geeky Tech that we were working alongside of, so these opportunities were missed in our previous acquisitions.